We always think about the children's learning and development when they are under our care. But sometimes we forget about what happens after.
This is Seri Rahayu, Executive Principal of PCF Sparkle Tots.
When the children feel unprepared, they will experience a lot of unnecessary stress, which hinders their learning and development. A transition program is necessary to help the children to pick up life skills that can help them to navigate new environment with confidence.
To come up with a good program, Seri and team consulted primary school teachers and parents of ex-students and identified 3 challenges children face when they enter Primary 1.
First, spatial adjustments. Preschool is a much smaller space compared to primary school. Children have to navigate a much bigger environment on their own. Even going to the washroom several classrooms away is a scary task. Second is money management. Many children find it difficult to understand the value of money. They could either find it difficult to buy food at the canteen or get carried away with their newfound spending power. Lastly, self-reliance. They are suddenly given the responsibility of taking care of their own belongings, keeping track of homework, and even managing their own schedules. Misplacing items and forgetting tasks are common stresses for parents and children.
After analyzing and understanding the root of the problems, Seri and team came up with the P1 Starter Kit.
We need to build up their resilience and responsibilities in overcoming uncertainties in the face of challenges, and also to handle their own tasks. So in order to do that, we practice the 3 C's. First C is confidence. Through team activities and games, it helps to train their resilience. When children encounter new challenges, they will have doubts and worries. But with encouragement from peers, they gain courage and overcome their hurdles. The satisfaction they get boosts their confidence, and they can tap on this memory when they face new challenges in primary school. The second C is curriculum. We plan tasks progressively over the course of the year for them to familiarize with new tasks that they may face in primary school. Every term, they master a new skill. For example, getting comfortable with writing longer sentences, as this is one aspect that is very different from preschool. We also have regular show and tell sessions to improve their communication skills. On top of teaching children the concept of money, we train their responsibility in handling money by getting them to purchase their food from their cook during meal times. They will learn the value of money, the concept of exchange, and to count the right amount of money to give their cook. Nothing is better than hearing from the primary school students themselves. We invited primary 3 students from neighboring schools to work on art and craft projects with our K2 children. They also shared their experiences and served as role models to them. Let's face it, change is scary, but by providing them with new experiences and building their confidence, they can then spend more time on learning and discover the world around them.